a word of advice again. Be careful in social media. Be very, very careful. And also, maybe careful in addiction in social media. We have to scroll addiction. Kunabantu namhlanje abakwazi ukuyeka uthi mawungena ulokhu uyascroll uthi yokugcina le okay awuthi ngibhekele yokugcina le uzaba addicted ukuscrolla everyone namhlanje uyi expert abanye abantu namhlanje remember I teaching ethi who guides you social media ingaguide without you knowing khumbule kudala abantu bebeguidwa imedia bebeguidwa iTV thina sikhula sikhula siphaphela iAmerican culture sikhula sifuna udle hamburger mama ngifuna hamburger and shakes American culture sikhula sidla imfino kudla okright and then samoshwa ile American culture safuna pizza ne hamburger manje mawabheka ama American I-obesity America ixakile abaguli ngumhlola saye kudla okuhle sikhule ngakho abazali bethu abakufunde emakhaya American culture sagqoka impahla zabo American culture now iTV traditional media iyaphelelwa manje really iyaphelelwa neindaba ziyaforce iphelele social media namhlanje shaping people ungena lapho uthatha iadvice kabantu ongabazi as much as it's fine if usimangele ku social media ngimazi kodwa ukhuluma isense why ngoba ngiyakhona ukuhlukanisa yini engisiza ukuthi ngikwazi ukuhlukanisa is my spiritual insight ne spiritual growth sami sengikhulile emoyeni ngiyakwazi ukulalela into ngiyihluze unlike idala ngangivele nje ngiyithathe mangibona ngathi usimangele ukhuluma into right ngiyayithatha le okunye ngikubeka ecaleni you must be careful because wonke umuntu namhlanje uyi-expert udinga nje ifone nedata ushoot message so advise abantu wena you know to advise abanye abantu at a certain level it's something very dangerous. It's very dangerous to advise omunye umuntu at a higher level because there are many consequences ezingenzeka lapho umuntu angathatha iadvice yakho and so many things can go wrong mangime la I know ngithini I know isource yalento engikhulumayo hence mina mawungibona awukaze ningizwe ngigibela la ngathi ngibhorekile ngikhuluma into engazazi because I know irresponsibility. I know the responsibility to advise. Now I don't advise 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 50 people. I'm advising millions of people. So, ungena ku social media ulalela umuntu ongamazi ubani, sibongo ubani, wazi ini. Akhulume ngomshado. Now uyayithatha lento, uyapply emshadweni wakho. Advisor nge-life, uya-apply. Advisor ngenkolo, uya-apply. Advisor social media can be very dangerous. Can be very dangerous. And now that we live in a world where abantu ba clever on earthly standards, kodwa ba dumb on spiritual terms. Abantu namhlanje bazohlanga ngoba bathatha yonke into ekhulunywa umuntu ku social media. Careful of social media.